phrasal verbs with make up, meaning to invent a story or lie to reconcile after a fight. Example, he made up an excuse for being late. Make out, meaning to see or understand something clearly, to kiss passionately. Example, I can't make out what that sign says. Makeover, meaning to improve or change something's appearance. Example, she made over the living room completely. Make for, meaning to move towards something. Example, after school, the kids made for the playground. Make off with, meaning to escape, often with something stolen. Example, the thief made off with the necklace. Make into, meaning to change something into something else. Example, they made the old factory into a museum. Make of, meaning to have an opinion or understanding about something. Example, what do you make of this strange behavior? Make after, meaning to chase or pursue someone or something. Example, the dog made after the cat. Make up for, meaning to compensate for something. Example, he worked extra hours to make up for his mistake. Make out to be, meaning to claim or pretend something is true. Example, he makes himself out to be a hero, but he's not.